Yo, what's up, guys? Top of the evening. Here we are getting ready for a Wednesday morning pre-market here in a couple hours as I am shooting this video. Nothing new today, right? Down 4.5%, I believe, in regular trading hours for AMC. GameStop had a weird their volume was pretty high today. The majority of that volume came in that run-up. Did you guys see that? Apparently, I haven't seen it yet, but apparently some whale came in, bought a ton of shares. Close to the bell, but it blasted way up, and that volume there was like 10 million volume in the last hour compared to four and some change million throughout the day prior. So weird. Who knows what's going on there? But they kind of freaked out and dropped that son of a gun right back down, didn't they? It still ended up a little bit higher than it was throughout the day. So anyway, the wild world of our beloved meme stocks. Take a look at this. Let this set in just for a minute here. Hello. And a foreign company stole trillions from Americans. The U.S. government would make a worldwide outcry. But then, it's domestic hedge funds stealing trillions from fellow Americans. Everything is hush-hush. Boy, let that sink in. Just think about that, because that's just absolutely the truth, right? There's your last 2 days of trading there with your AMC. Nothing surprised there. All things short, right? Boy, I tell you what. I don't know if we're going to dip anymore. I don't see us going below 32, but I might have to fire out the old buy button here again and load the boat some more. I know a lot of you guys did. I've seen it everywhere. Seen a lot of those screenshots of everybody's shares. That whole story, I'm not going to touch on it tonight. It's everywhere. The math on that, you guys, we'll touch on a little bit briefly of a second and show the numbers compared to last night. But boy, oh boy. Again, everything by the day just keeps getting better and better. Dark pool madness again, 53.9 million shares traded today in regular trading hours, 64% through the old dark pool. 20-day average is still at 65%, you guys. 34.5 million out of 53.9 million shares were traded in the old pool of darkness. Outstanding. Of course it is. Here's your updated numbers. Look at this last night when I did the video. Even today, this was at 21 million maybe hours ago. So this obviously has been talked about everywhere. I don't know what to think. Some of the numbers are crazy. Even if you took some of these, 9 times over the float, I see these numbers 4 to 6 billion. Let's just say it's 25% of these numbers that are floating around out there. It's still 4 times the float. So we're going to learn something from this. I am getting really fired up for this shareholder meeting too. The more I think about that too. Last night I shared the expected earnings are supposed to be very good. So, and I'll touch at the very end of this an old Adam Aaron piece that I actually did play probably 2.5 months ago. A lot of people think, Adam, you're not doing it. The guy's got a company to run for starters. Second of all, this guy is a very, very smart man. All right. He's in this position for a reason. He has a proven track record, and he does not like his stock being messed with. And we'll touch on that in just a minute. So stay tuned for this, boys and girls. Get your votes in if you didn't. I did this today. So yeah, pretty damn cool. I think we're going to find out more as we go, right? And then, of course, the nonsense, the old paid shills, bots, trolls, whatever the hell you want to call them. You can't read this little thing, but these are screenshots of people saying not to vote. We don't know where this information's going. You're linking your brokerage accounts to somewhere you don't know. I looked into it. I'm sure most of you did. The DD is out there. Very reputable. Everybody and their mother uses that third party that we're using. And then also, too, I did look and I see Visa almost bought them. So it's very reputable. Obviously, Adam Aaron is not going to tweet out some BS and have people start linking their brokerage firms to this wacky website. So I'm sure 99.9% of you know that. So again, of course, the bots and shills have to be out there, right? Look at this. Okay, again, here we go. Let me just read one thing out of this damn article here. Robinhood has 18 million accounts with 80 billion in assets after rapid growth, IPO filing shows. Okay, great. Scroll down. Look at this. Free trading pioneer. 2 paragraphs down. As I quote, as this quotes, Robinhood offers equity, cryptocurrency, and options trading, as well as cash management accounts. Users can make most of their trades for free. The app makes the majority of its money from customer for order flow and a premium paid service. The stock trading company collected a record $331 million in payment for order flow the money brokerage firm receives for directing clients' trades to market makers in the first quarter of 2021, according to a regulatory filing with the SEC. So, yeah, big dummies. Vlad over there, asshole. Cool site. This thing was shared. I seen Jackson Hunter. Shout out Jackson for sharing this earlier. And a lot of people are sharing it. What a cool little website. I didn't see it until today. I've seen Jackson mention it. But I'll pop a link into it there. But it is AMC. I think you can look up other stocks in here. I only looked at AMC, obviously. But it tracks the FTDs and, more importantly, that T plus 35 day over here. So super cool. If you guys want to look at that, I haven't got too far into it, but I really like this T35 day over here. So we will pop that in for you. And then the new rule here, this is 4111. The SEC approves FINRA rule change meant to curb rogue brokers. Now remember, you guys, this does not kick in. I think it's January 3rd. I think it's 180 days from today's date. So it doesn't kick until January, but still pretty cool rule. The SEC Commission approved a rule change proposed by FINRA intended to penalizing brokerage firms that have high levels of disciplinary problems. Jesus, why are you trading? If look at the wording in here. It just sounds bad. Sounds like you're borderline just got out of prison. Problems. Or those employ a high number of registered representatives with the disciplinary records, according to the report, The Investment News. Under the rule, which will become effective in 6 months, these firms, commonly known as rogue brokers, Jesus, sounds like something out of a movie, will be formally categorized as restricted firms if they have a high percentage of brokers with disciplinary problems. So yeah, I did have the whole rule. Now I don't have it linked up there. So anyway, pretty cool. I'm sure you guys have seen that floating around today. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. This here, financial expert predicts crash just before audits elections. Carlos Cortez, who owns Cortez Wealth Management, predicts a pulling out of the carpet. Listen to this. We're going to play just a little piece of it here, but look at his wording here in just a second.
He's our in-house financial expert and a chief sponsor here at the Stu Peters Show, Cortez Wealth Management. Do you sense a big rug pull coming, and if so, when?
Man, that's a great question. Thanks for having me, Stu. It's just like every single day the market goes up. I mean, the market was up all day today, up all day. Earnings came out great for most of these companies that are out. And then it closed today at a flat rate. The Dow's down 97 points and the S&P 500 is down about 8%. 0.18, which is.
So what do you think? Are they going to pull the rug right out from underneath us? Is this thing going to crash? It's got to, right?
Well, we got to kind of take a look, step back and take a look. We got to think like, the global elitists. What do we want to take from Trump and the conservatives? What are we known for? We're known for building the economy. We're known for creating jobs. We're known for keeping the worker working in an American fashion. And so when you take that vital spirit from the right wing and give it to the Democrats, they're going to make Joe Biden look like he's the greatest thing ever. They're going to pump up this market. And we have a lot of conservatives right now, clients that are riding this wave, and they know that the market's going to be pumped up. And then, God forbid, when they do this rug pull, they're going to slam it right when a conservative gets back in office. Whether it's Trump, DeSantis, I don't know who the
whoever it might be,
whoever it is, right? So it's just going to be obvious. I mean, this is pure market manipulation. There's no way the stock market.
If you think about everywhere we're at, everything that's coming at us, solar.
Pure market manipulation. That's all I need to hear. Of course it is. We've known this. Wow. Just wow. Double A. I played this damn thing. Shout out to Financial Finger over on the Reddit thing. It's only about 19 seconds. Listen to the silverback here really quickly.
We believe that data services are incorrectly reporting information that is not consistent with GAAP. That's something that we've obviously been talking to these data services about intensively. This has caused what honestly massive short selling in our shares, and our stock has dropped markedly. Candidly, we think that's a buying opportunity for a lot of people because we do think we will get this addressed. They can't misreport our numbers forever.
Now, if you don't think AA cares about this company, he truly does. The other thing I caught from that, and I popped that thing in, I played that, it was a whole interview, I think, in another one, probably 2 months ago, like I said. But you haven't heard Adam Aaron say anything close to that in the last 7 months. What that tells me is that this is something he doesn't want to mess up. The lawyers, it's way bigger. He knows it. We know it. We all know it. So we love you, AA. We love you, buddy. Okay, that's it. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Maybe a little bit more down. I'm going to have to buy some more, you guys. I'm going to have to buy some more if this dips anymore. It's a good problem to have, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, that's it. I'll interact with you here. I'm going to stay up till pre-market, see what the hell's going on, and talk to you later.